Hey everyone, I just want to share with you a fix that I have found on a server machine that I am using. This is a server 2012 R2 Essentials, and since March 6th I've been having this issue, and as you can see here with the update of KB5022899, this is an update that has constantly failed since March 6th, and even the error code that I double clicked on it and tried to review what the error code is trying to refer to, it wasn't really giving me anything that I can really pinpoint what the problem is. And so I kept searching online for several days, and nothing I did was actually working. And so the last attempt that I actually had was yesterday, March 13, where I tried twice before work hours in order for it to work, but it just would not work. The server would just stall or just fail the update, and I just couldn't get past it. So then I actually found something yesterday online that said that perhaps a servicing stack update may be needed first in order for this update to actually succeed. And I didn't find it yesterday, but today the update actually showed up, and I went ahead to install the update. And as you can see, KB5022999 was the servicing stack update that was needed for my Windows Server 2012 R2 machine. And so it successfully installed without any need for a restart of the machine. So right after I did that, I went ahead to make another attempt to install the update 5022899 once again, and to see if it would work. Now, as you can see, it is pending a restart, and I haven't restarted the server because we're still in work hours. This is the server for the company that I work for, and so people are still working, and I don't want to disrupt the workflow. So it's 3:23 right now, and so I'll come back after hours in order to restart the machine. See you then. All right, I am back at the machine again, and it is 8:04, and I already restarted the server. Now let's see if it updated successfully. And as you can see here, March 13, it failed twice when I attempted, but if you can see in March 14, it successfully installed the update. And that's all thanks to that servicing stack update KB5022999 that was needed first in order for 5022899 to succeed. I'm finally glad that it works. I hope it helps any IT admins that are out there struggling with the same thing. That's all I have for you. Stay happy.